Hi students, welcome to Math Tonic. Today I'm going to discuss one paper, IGCSE Maths for Cambridge, prediction paper that I have prepared. And yes, this is paper 2, non-calculator test. Okay, so let's start. So the first question that we have right now, see, before doing this question, I think all of you know the basic property, that is square root of a over b, that gives you the answer square root of a over square root of b. This is the first property we can remember. And second one, we know that a power negative m, that equals to, I can make it positive power if I try to bring it to the denominator. Got it? Same thing goes here. If I try to write down this one, square root of 9 over square root of 16 plus 2 power negative 1 means it will be 1 over 2, right? So square root of 9 becomes 3, square root of 16 becomes 4, so 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2, right? So we can do in different ways. So I think I can make this denominator exactly 4, so I can say it is 3 over 4 plus I can write down as a 2 over 4, correct? Equivalent fraction. Now simply we can add the numerator, 3 plus 2 over 4, and this answer should be 5 out of 4. Did you understand everyone clearly? Right? See, if I'm going fast, pause the video and you can learn it. Next question. Next question is given that this is a equation of y and we need to find the value of y when x is equals to, that is 0 0.1. Okay, so y equals to, so we need to replace 0 0.1 over 2, and instead of x it will be 0 0.1 squared, right? 0 0.1 over 2, that should be 0 0.05. Okay, make it half, plus 0 0.1 squared. Listen, 0 0.1 times 0 0.1, be careful, it will be 1 over 10 times 1 over 10, so that means it will be 1 over 100. So if I try to write down in decimal, it will be 0 0.01, so this will be 0 0.01. So if I try to add this two value, it should be 0 0.06, so this answer should be 0 0.06. Got it? See, sometimes students do mistake, so normally they write down as 0 0.1, so be careful whenever you're multiplying the decimal values. Okay, next question. Solve the question. Equation n minus 8 over 2. Now tell me, if I try to move this 2 to other side, it will be times, right? So n minus 2, that equals to 2 times 11, that is n minus 8, that equals to 22. So again, if I try to move it, it will be n equals to 22 plus 8, that should be n equals to 30. So this answer should be 30. Got it? Yes. Next question. Next question is about significant figures, right? So what is the question is given? In the space provided, write each number in the calculation correct to one significant figure. Okay, one significant figure means we'll try to understand this. See, the first one is given 4.8. 4.8 means one significant means I have to stop here. Check the next digit should be 5 or more than 5. If it is, then we have to add 1 to this one. If it is not, then we have to keep the number as we have. So here you can see 4.8. So one significant means I have to stop here. So this number is more than 5. Thus I will take it as a 5. Okay, this is 4.8. One significant figure, I'm writing 5. So for 1.98 like this. So one significant figure I will stop here. This is 2 because after decimal value it was 9. This is 16.83. So one significant figure means I'll stop here. This will be 20. Did you understand? Because 16.83, so I have to stop here. So I'm sorry, this will be, I have to stop here. That means this is more than 5, so it will be 2 0. Got it? So 20. If I try to simplify, this will be 10 over 20, that equals to 1 over 2, or we can write down as a 0 0.5 also. Did you understand clearly everyone? Okay, yes. Next question. A straight line passes through the point 0, 3 and 211, right? Question is, find out the gradient of the line. Listen, if we have 2 points, that is x1 and y1, this is x2 and y2. If coordinates are given, then how to find a gradient? This is a formula is m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Now see, it's given 0 comma 3 and this is given 2 comma 11, right? So here y2 is 11, y1 is 3, so I can write down 11 minus 3 over, this is 2 minus 0. So we got 8 over 2, that equals to 4. So I got this answer as a 4. Got it? Now, next part. Write down the equation of line. Equation of line means all of us know the straight line equation equals to y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so here already we have a gradient, that is m will be replaced by 4, that is 4x plus c. The answer is incomplete because we need to find the value of c as well. So you have two coordinates, right? You can take any one or you can use any one of your choice. You can put it here and get the value of c. So for example, I am putting at 0 comma 3, right? This is x and this is a y. So if I replace y by 3 here, 4 times 0 plus c, so this will be 3 equals to c. So we got the value of c, that is 3. Then what is the answer will be? So y equals to, this will be 4x plus 3 will be your equation of straight line. So this is y equals to that is 4x plus 3. Got it? Yes. Okay, next question. One of the angles in a triangle is twice as big as smallest angle. The third angle in a triangle 40 degree bigger than the smallest angle. Work out the size of three angles in a triangle. Okay, so listen, in a triangle we have three angles, right? As per the question, I'm just trying to take smallest angle. Let smallest angle equals to x, right? Question is given, one of the angle is twice the smallest angle. That means if I say one angle can be written like this, that is 2x, because twice of this one, right? And third angle equals to 40 degree bigger than the smallest angle. So smallest angle we have x, so third angle will be x plus 40 degree. Did you get it? So we got these three angles, and we know that in a triangle three angles like add up to 180. So I can write down x plus 2x plus x plus 40, right? That equals to 180. So x plus 2x plus x, I can write down 4x plus 40, that equals to 180. If I try to rearrange it, so 4x equals to 180 minus 40, so we got 4x equals to, that is 140. Got it? So to find the value of x, divide 140, like divide 4 on both sides, right? So it will be 140 over 4. So if I divide this, I can say, okay, so listen, I can write down as a 35 degree. If you feeling difficult, you can just simplify like this also. See, we can divide by 2. This 2 2s are, this will be 270, right? 2 times 70, and 70 over 2, we know that is 35 degree. Did you get it? So we got x equals to 35 degree. So one angle should be 2x, that is 2x equals to 2 times 35, which is equals to 70 degree. Got it? Third angle is x plus 40, that is x plus 40 means we can write down 35 degree plus 40 degree, that equals to 75 degree. So these are the three angles which add up to 180. Got it? So I can write down the answer: 35 degree, 70 degree and 75 degree. Got it, everyone? Right? So you can pause the video, you can just watch it, and yes, you can understand the concept of what we are applying here. See, questions will be very easy, but yes, because of non-calculator, you have to be careful when you find the values. Okay, next question. Write a fraction in the simplest form. Before going to this question, I hope all of you know that is a over b plus c over d. How to add the fractions, the general form. So I can write down b times d, that is times of two denominators. They cross multiply, a times d plus we have and bc. This is a way to multiply the fractions, right? Same thing I will approach here. Listen, so denominator what we have x times x plus 1. Can you see this? Now cross multiply this one, so 2 times x plus 1 minus, then cross multiply 2x. So when you expand the numerator, it will be 2x plus 2 minus 2x, because 2x, this is 2 times 1 is 2, over, you can expand this as well, that will be x squared plus x. Got it? So you can see here 2x and 2x can be cancelled, or we can say 2x minus 2x becomes 0. So we can write down 2 over x squared plus x. So this answer I can write down 2 over x squared plus x. Got it, everyone? Yes. Question number 8. A bus company in Dubai has the following operating times. So you can see Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. The timing is given. So question is given, calculate the total number of hours that bus company operates in 1 week. Very good question. So we can simply find the difference in time. If you see, this is 6 and this is 24. So very simple, 24 minus 6, it will be 18 hours, right? So this will be 18 hours, correct? This is exactly same, 6 to 24. This is also 18 hours. 6 to 24. This is also 18 hours. This is also 18 hours. 6 to 24. 6 to 24. 6 to 24. So all this duration should be 18 hours. Got it? This one is given 13 to 24. So this will be 24 minus 13. So I'm getting 11 hours. So this will be 11 hours. Got it? Yes, because every time is given in 24-hour format. Now how to find total time? You can simply add all these values and get these answers. Or you can see here, this 18-hour exactly same for how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So I can write down like this. So 6 times 18 hours plus the last one is given 11 hours, right? 11 hours. So 6 times 18, if you try to multiply this, you'll get 108 plus 11, which equals to 119 hours. Did you understand everyone clearly? Yes. Next question. So this one I got 119 hours, right? This is given already. While starting time on Friday, right, starting time on Friday in the 12-hour clock. You can see here, starting time, this is starting time is given. So this one is given 13, right? 13 means after 12, okay, and daytime. So this will be 1 p.m. if I try to write in terms of 12-hour clock. Easy? Yes. Next, question number 9. Question number 9 is given, third question. Okay, before going to this question, always remember that square root of a squared. What does it mean? Square root of a times square root of, this is square root of a. So this becomes a. Okay, when you multiply two square roots, so square root removes, so when is this, so we can say that becomes a. Okay, so here we can say 3 times square root, okay, 2 times 3 times 2 square. Okay, this is how. So what is 3 times 3 becomes 9 times root 2 times square root of 2, that is 2, and this answer I am getting 18. This answer should be 18. Got it? Okay, next, square root of 24 plus square root of 54. Okay, so listen, in this kind of question, try to break the number in such a way so that one number could be a square number. So for example, 24 I can break in multiple ways. Someone can break 2 times 12. Is it okay? Someone can break 4 times 6, right? Someone can break 1 times 24, like that. But try to break in such a way so that one number should be square number. Square number, do you understand? Like this, 4 is a square number. Listen, 1 squared equals to 1, 2 squared equals to 4, 3 squared equals to 9. So these are called square numbers. Got it? So what I should do is, so 24 means I can break like this. It is 4 times 6 square root plus same thing, find out such two numbers that times will be 54, but one number should be square number. So I can break like this, 9 times 6. Did you understand clearly? And yes, Surt's property says that square root of a times b, that will be square root of a times square root of b. Got it? Same thing. So what is square root of 4? Oh, let me do this. Square root of 4 times square root of 6 plus square root of 9 times square root of 6. So we got this will be 2 root 6 plus this will be 3 root 6. Can you see this? And yes, try to add like algebra. Imagine we have a question like this, 2x plus 3x. What is the answer should be? 5x, right? Exactly same thing. 2 root 6 plus 3 root 6 means the answer should be 5 root 6. Did you understand everyone? Easy? Okay, next question. Next question is given that q equals to 2 power n minus 1. Okay, work out the value of q when n equals to 3. Okay, simple. So q equals to 2 power n minus 1. So if I replace this 2 power 3 minus 1. So what is 2 power 3? 2 power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, that is equals to 8, right? Sometimes students got mistake. Normally they mistakenly write 6, but it's not. So 2 times 2 times 2 becomes 8. So this answer should be 8 minus 1. This answer should be 7. Got it, everyone? Next question. Next question is given q is a prime number for some values of n. Okay, find the values of q that are primes when n equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what does it mean? I will try to replace the value, substitute the value, that is n equals to 2, n equals to 3, n equals to 4, or n equals to 5. So what is the q formula is given? That was given 2 power n minus 1, this one, right? So let me write down this one. 2 power n, that is 2 power 2 minus 1. So 2 squared is 4. So we can write down 4 minus 1, that equals to 3. Okay, again q equals to 2 power 3 minus 1, that equals to 8 minus 1, that equals to 7. Again q equals to 2 power 4 minus 1, that is 16 minus 1, that equals to 15, because 2 power 4 equals to 16. Okay, q equals to 2 power 5 minus 1, that will be 32, because 2 power 5 is 32 minus 1, so we got 31. So out of these 4 numbers, you can see here that 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 31 is a prime number. So 15 is not a prime number. Got it, everyone? So we have only 3 answers that are prime: 3, 7, and 31. Got it? Yes. Next question is given when n equals to 6, q is not a prime number. Explain how you know this value of q is not prime. Simple. See, when I'm saying n equals to 6, so q equals to 2 power n, that is 6 minus 1. So 2 power 6 equals to what? 64. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 64 minus 1, that equals to 63. Okay, but 63 is not a prime number. Why? Because we know that, okay, I'm writing down this one, because it is not a prime number because it has more than 2 factors. It has more than 2 factors, because you can see here, if I say 63, right, someone can write down 1 times 63. Someone can write down 3 times 21. Someone can write down 7 times 9, something like this, right? You can see here how many factors we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors, right? So this is not a prime number. Prime number always have only 2 factors, the number and 1. Okay, for example, 5 is a prime number. So 5 is a prime number. Why? Because I have only 2 numbers. 5 times 1 equals to 5. That means it has only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. That's why it is a prime number, but this is not a prime number. Got it? Yes. Next question. Next question is given, the person travels, Ivan travels to work by car. He goes through 2 sets of traffic lights on his journey. Okay. The probability that he stops at the first set of traffic lights is given 3 over 5. The probability that he stops at the second set of traffic light is 4 over 7. Okay. The probabilities are independent. Complete the tree diagram. Very easy. If you see this is a first set. And always remember, these 2 branches, we call it branches of tree, right? These 2 probabilities always add up to 1. Okay, this one and this one should be add up to 1. So if it is 3 out of 5, this will be 2 out of 5. Did you get it? Yes, you can see here this is given 3 out of 5, so this is 2 out of 5. If you see read the question again for second set, the probability of, like for light, what is given? Stops a light, 4 out of 7. So if this is 4 out of 7, then what is this probability should be? 3 out of 7, right? This is exactly same again, 4 out of 7, because it stops, and doesn't stop, it will be 3 out of 7, because this 2 values should be add up to 1. Again, these 2 values should be add up to 1. Got it? Yes. What is the next question? Work out the probability that E1 stops at neither set of traffic lights. Neither set of traffic light means doesn't stop. This one and this one. Got it? So 2 over 5 times 3 over 7. So I'm writing this one, 2 over 5 times 3 over 7. Numerator times numerator 6, denominator times denominator, it will be 35. So this answer should be 6 over 35 will be the answer, for which the person stops at neither set of traffic lights. Got it? Okay, next question. Factorize x squared minus 3x minus 18. Okay, we can do this question two different ways. Very shorter way will be like this. Remember, for any like statement, if the maximum power of x equals to 2, that means it's a quadratic statement. And how many factors I'm going to get? I'm going to get 2 factors like this. You can see here, right? 2 factors. So what is a here? Because general format of any quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c. Can you see this? So here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c equals to minus 18. Got it? So we have to find such two numbers, whose times will be AC, that is 1 times negative 18, that is minus 18. And same two number, when I put it, the addition or subtraction should be B, which is equals to minus 3. Did you get it? So for this, I can write down minus 6 times 3 and minus 6 plus 3, that equals to minus 3, and minus 6 times 3 becomes minus 18. So yes, we got these two numbers, minus 6 and this is positive 3, right? So as we have first term is x squared, the first term of the two factors should be x, and two numbers could be minus 6 and plus 3. This is how we can find out the factors. Did you understand, everyone? Yes, so this will be the answer. This is x minus 6 times x plus 3. Okay, now next question is solve this equation that equals to 0. Already it is factorized, right? So in place of this one, I can write down x minus 6 times x plus 3, that equals to 0. So we can say x minus 6 equals to 0, or we can say x plus 3 equals to 0. So we can just rearrange it, x equals to 6, and this will be x equals to minus 3. So we got this answer, 6 and minus 3. Got it, everyone? Yes. So next, Sophie drives 125 miles from that town to Burham at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. She then drives 90 miles from Burham to Chand. Okay. She doesn't stop and her whole journey takes 4 hours. So what is the average speed driving from Burham to Chand? Okay. Let me try to write down. So the first place is A, that is at town. Second place we have B, right? Okay, and third place is given, that is C. Got it? As per the question, the distance from A to B, the distance is given, that is 125 miles. That is distance is given, correct? So speed is given, speed equals to, that is given 50 miles per hour, 50 mph. Okay. Second, distance is given, speed is given. I think we can find out the time easily. What is the time? So we know that time equals to distance over speed, that is 125 over 50. Yes. So as we don't use calculator for this paper, so you have to simplify yourself. How we can simplify? So I think we can, if you see these two numbers, that both numbers can be divided by 25. Okay. So I can divide 25. I can divide 25. Okay, so I got this like equivalent fraction. Okay, yes. So 25, 125 over 25 equals to 5, because 25 times 5 equals to 125, and 25 times 2, that becomes 5 over 2, or we can say that is 2.5 hours. Do you understand, everyone? So that means A to B, it took 2.5 hours. Okay, as per the question, the total time taken from A to C, that means this place to this place, is 4 hours. So yes, if the total hours taken, it is 4 hours, out of which A to B we got 2.5 hour, then the time taken for B to C will be 4 minus 2.5, that is 1.5 hour. Did you understand? That is 1.5, or we can write in fraction also, 3 over 2, that your choice. 1.5 hours, right? Okay, question is given, find the average speed. Okay, so we got to know from B to C it is 1.5 hour, and I think distance is given from B to C is given 90 miles. right? So question is given, find the speed. So speed equals to distance over time. So distance we have 90, time we have 1.5. How to do this? So I think to make it a whole number, multiply 2, multiply 2. So what happens? 90 times 2 will be 180. 1.5 times 2 becomes 3. So 180 over 3, that equals to 60 miles per hour. So this answer should be 60. Did you get it, everyone? Yes, again I'm saying, like if you find it very difficult, if I'm going very fast, pause the video and try to learn it, okay? Yes, next question, question number 14. Question number 14 is given, show that this simplifies to this one. Okay, let's start. So it is given x plus 7 times x minus 4 plus 3x times x minus 1. So we can expand this x times x minus x times 4. So I can write down x squared minus 4x, then 7 times x, that will be 7x, and this one it will be minus 28. Plus you can expand this one, that is 3x squared, and 3x times minus 1 becomes minus 3x. Got it? Yes. We try to collect the like terms. This is 3x squared, this is x squared, that becomes 4x squared, right? And here we have minus 4x plus 7x and minus 3x are the three like terms. So minus 4 plus 7 is 3, 3 minus 3. Okay, 3 minus 3 becomes 0. I hope you understood this part. Let me show you again. This is minus 4x plus 7x. This gives you what? 3x, right? And this is, we have minus 3x. So this 3x and this minus 3x plus 3 becomes 0. So then what we have right now is, we have plus 3x, I'm sorry, this was already taken, so only part is left is minus 28. So very simple. So what common I can take from these two terms? 4. So it will be 4x squared minus 7. So this is the answer, or this is what we have to show this one. Check this, because 4 times x squared is x squared and 4 times 7 is 28. Got it? Yes. Question number 15. Question number 15 is about cumulative frequency. Yes. This cumulative frequency diagram summarizes the waiting times of 120 patients in a doctor's surgery. Use a diagram to estimate median of waiting time. Always remember, median is all about 50% of n. 50% of n, or we can say half of n, or we can say n over 2. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Okay, if you see this table, I'm sorry, the graph. So this is what the cumulative frequency is given in y-axis, and waiting time is given in x-axis. So what is n is given 120, so median means 120 over 2. That means 60th value, not 60. Be careful. Always remember your all median. Listen, the median, upper quartile, lower quartile, every value you are going to get in x-axis, not in y-axis. Got it? On this x-axis only you are going to get this, all this value. Got it, everyone, clearly? So 60th value will be your median time. Okay, so let me check this. This is 60, right? So if you see this, this is where we got 60. Check where it is, like crossing, intersecting the graph. And if I go down, if you see this, yes, this value is the median value, which is I got 18. Can you see this, everyone? Yes, so this answer should be 18 minutes. This is the like median waiting time for this question. Got it? Next question. Next question is given, find the interquartile range. Always remember, interquartile range equals to upper quartile minus lower quartile. Okay, upper quartile means what? Remember, upper quartile means it is 75% of n, 75% of n, or lower quartile means 25% of n. Okay, 75% in terms of fraction, I can write down 3 over 4 times n. N is given 120. Here 25% means 1 over 4 times 120. So if you simplify, 4 ones are 4 times 30. That means 9, not 90 is the answer, please. 90th value. Okay, and if I cancel this, 4 ones are 4 times 30. That means 30th value. Okay, find this 2 value, subtract it, that will be your interquartile range. We'll try to find out. So 90th value you can check here, 90. So please draw a horizontal line which intersecting this graph. Then if you go down, it is intersecting here, right? So I think this will be your 26. Yes, this is 26. And 30 also, if I draw a horizontal line, if I go down, I'm getting this one as 12. Okay, this is your lower quartile, this is your upper quartile, and this one already we got median for this one, right? So let me subtract these two values. So 90th value we got 26 minus 30th value we got 12. So 26 minus 12, the answer should be 14. So interquartile range should be 14 minutes. Did you understand, everyone? Yes. Next question. Next question is given. Use the diagram to estimate the percentage of patients who waited longer than 30 minutes. Yes, normally students do mistakes here. Waited longer than 30 minutes means, see, we'll go back to time. So time is given in which axis? Tell me, x-axis. So longer than 30 minutes means it is asking about this part. Did you understand? Now what should I do is, I will try to draw a vertical line wherever it meets the graph. You can see here, right? Here. Then I will try to draw a horizontal line so that I can find the n here. That means this one I got as a 1, not 2. Can you see this? Do you understand, everyone, clearly? Right? So now you tell me, more than 30 minutes means 30 to 40. And when I joined 30, I got this one. So it is asking about only these values, right? So it will be 1 not 2 to 1 not 20. Simply we can subtract these two values. So I can write down here, that is 120 minus 1 not 2, that equals to 18. This is the number of patients who waited for more than 30 minutes, sorry. So how to find out the percentage? So it is 18 minutes over what is the total time is given? Yes, estimate the percentage of patients. Okay, very simple. 18, not 18 minutes, 18 patients, sorry. 18 over 120 times 100. This is way to find out the percentage. So how to simplify this one? So we can do like this. I can do 3 times 6. This should be 3 times 4 and 0, 40. Is okay. I can do like this, 5 times 8, and this is 5 times 2, 10, 20. Okay, so we can do like this. It is 5 times, sorry, it will be 4 times 5, it will be 4 times 2, and it's 2 times 1, and this is 2 times 3. So we can say that 5 times 3, that is 15%. Did you get it, everyone? Okay, simplifying without non-calculator is totally dependent on you. See, we can do like this. If you're very good at calculation, you can take more numbers. Means, for example, someone can do like this also. 100 over 120 times 100. Sorry, 8 over 120 times 100. So a person can do like this, 10 times 10, 10 times 12. See, I took 10 right now. Okay, so numerator times numerator, that is 180 over 12. So if you divide this, okay, if you divide this, you will get this answer, 15% as well. Got it, everyone, clearly? Okay, next, simplify 9k square divided by this one. Okay, so 9k square over, I can write down like this, 3k power negative 5. But same thing, in numerator we have 9k squared, denominator we have 3k power negative 5. What is 9 over 3? That is 3. And we know that if it is a power m over a power n, then we can write down a power m minus n. This is the law of indices, says that when you divide the two indices of same base, the power will be subtracted. The same thing here, k power 2 minus 5. Be careful, this is 2, this is minus 5. So this answer should be 3k power 2 plus 5, that is 3k power 7. So we can say the answer is 3k power 7. This is the answer for this question. Yes. Evaluate 4 over 25 power negative half. So what does it mean? Okay, so if it is a, remember the property, law of indices. So a over b power negative m. So please flip the fraction, so power will be positive. Okay, to make the power positive, you can simply flip the fraction, or we can say numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So we can write down this thing exactly same, 25 over 4. Now the power becomes half. Okay, so power, see, we know that a power half means that is exactly equal to square root of a, correct? So that means I can write down square root of 25 over 4. Simple. So square root of 25, that is 5, and square root of 4, that becomes 2. So this fraction could be written 5 over 2. Got it, everyone? Yes. Next part is given 27 power x equals to 3. Find the value of x. Okay. Now tell me 27 power x equals to 3. So this side we have 3 means there is no power. That means 1. 3 power 1 equals to 3. Okay. Can I write down 27 as a 3? Yes, I can write down. That is 3 power 3. That is 3 times 3 times 3. And out of power, again it is given x, which equals to 3 power 1. Okay. All of you know the basic property, that is a power m power n, that equals to a power mn. Correct? So if you expand this, this power of a power, it will be 3 power 3x, that equals to 3 power 1. Right? So this both indices are exactly equal, base also equal, so we can say power becomes equal as well. So we can say, so 3x equals to 1. So x equals to, if you rearrange it, I'm getting x equals to 1 over 3. Did you get it? So this answer, I'm getting x equals to 1 over 3. Okay, so yes, I hope you're enjoying the video. So by the time, please everyone subscribe the channel. Okay, I'll be uploading like 3 more papers of IGCSE Maths, because you have exam on 2nd. So don't fear, I'm here. Yes, you can ask any questions, questions in the comment section. I'll answer you. Okay, yes. Question number 17. Question number 17, what is given? Yes. In this question, all lengths are given centimeters. A solid shape consists of a cube with a pyramid on the top, and cube has a side length 2x. Okay. So cube means all of us know that all these lengths will be exactly same. Length, width, this is also 2x, and this is also 2x as well. So yes, the base of the pyramid is a square side with length 2x. Obviously this is 2x, this is 2x. That means this is a square. All sides are exactly same. So vertex of the top of the pyramid is 5x above the base of the cube. The total length from here to here, it is given 5x, out of which this one should be 3x, because this one already we have a 2x. Okay, so height of the pyramid we got 3x. I'm sorry. Find the expression in terms of x for the volume of solid. Give an answer in simplest form. Okay, we need to find out the volume of solid for this question. Okay, let's start. So volume of the solid, that equals to, we can write down the volume of a cube plus the volume of pyramid. Got it? Volume of the cube and volume of the pyramid. Tell me, what is the formula to find out the volume of a cube? So all of us know length times width times height. So they are exactly same. 2x times 2x times 2x. Yes. Plus, what is the volume of pyramid? The formula is given here. You can see here. This is a formula, that is 1 over 3 times area. Area means which area? The base area we're talking about. The area of the base of this pyramid, which is a square, right? So area can be length times width, which is given 2x times 2x. And what is the height of this pyramid is given? Times 3x. Did you get it? Okay, so here 2x times 2x times 2x, it becomes 8x cube plus 1 over 3 times 2x times 2x become 4x squared times 3x. Okay, so I'm getting 8x cube plus 1 over 3 times, it will be 12x cube, right? If you cancel this, 3 ones are 3 times 4. So we got this as a 8x cube plus 4x cube. This answer I'm getting 12x cube. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, so volume of this solid we got as a 12x cube. Did you get it? And this answer is given in terms of centimeter cube, 12x cube. Yes. Next question. Next question is about similar shapes. Okay, there are two mathematically similar hexagonal prisms. So the prism has a length 6 centimeter. You can see here this is 6 centimeter and this one is given 9 centimeter. So prism B has a 9 centimeter. The volume of this prism A is given 80 centimeter cube. For this, the volume is given 80 centimeter cube. So question is, find out the volume for this one. Okay, so listen, when we talk about similar like shapes, okay, similarity, so remember the one term will come that is called length scale factor. Okay, length scale factor, area scale factor, volume scale factor. So first we need to find out the length scale factor. You can see here, what does it mean? That means if it is 6 centimeter, its corresponding side is given 9 centimeter. If I try to find out what will be length scale factor means, it is 9 over 6. That means it will be 3 over 2, which is 1.5. What does it mean? So like prism B, this side is exactly what times bigger? It is 3 over 2 times bigger. Did you get it? Now the question is asking me to find out the volume. That means we need to find out the volume scale factor. Remember, when length scale factor is x, so volume scale factor should be x cube. Okay, that means 3 over 2 cube, like this. So 3 over 2 cube means 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. So volume scale factor will be 27. What does it mean? That means the bigger volume should be what times bigger? That is 27 over 8 times bigger. Very simple. So how we can find out? The smallest like smaller volume is given 80 times 27 over 8, right? That is 80 over 1. So we can cancel this. 8 times 1 is 8 and 8 times 10 is 80, which is equals to numerator times numerator, 27 times 10, that is 270 centimeter cube will be the volume of B, the prism B. Did you get it, everyone? So this answer should be 270. Got it? Right. So please subscribe, everyone. If you are enjoying the video, you are learning everything from here, right? Okay, so please subscribe. Do share the video with your friends so that they can get benefit because of you have exam on 2nd May. Okay, so express 0.78 recurring as a fraction in a simplest form. Now listen, to write down a recurring decimal in simplest form or in fractional form, right? So always try to make it equals to x. So I'm doing like this. So x equals to 0.78 recurring. What does it mean? 78, 78, 78. It goes on like this. Did you get it? Yes. Next, what is the step is? Please try to shift the recurring digits like just before the decimal, right? If I try to move to this side, what I'll do, I will times with 100, I will times with 100, right? Both, because 2 digits, right? So it will be 100x, that equals to, it will be 78 point, again, this will be 78, 78, 78, it goes on like this, right? If you see these two decimal values, right? Two equations, they have exactly same decimal values. Can you see this? Right? So we can subtract this and we can cancel this out. How? I'm telling you, I'm writing this again. 100x equals to, we have 78.787878 like this, and x equals to, we have 0.7878 and 78 like this. Okay, now please subtract these two equations. So 100x minus 1x, that becomes 99x, that equals to, and this decimal value are exactly same, we can just simply make it equal to 0, and 78 minus 0, that equals to 78. So how to find the value of x? So 99x equals to 78, so x equals to 78 over 99, and if you simplify more, I think we can divide by 3, we can divide by 3 as well. So 78 over 3, that is equals to 26, and 99 over 3, that equals to 33. So that is what I'm getting. Got it, everyone? Yes. Question number 20. Question number 20 is given. A town planner uses this formula to predict the population P town after 2017. So P equals to, this is a population, N is the number of years. You can see here where N is the number of years, where 2017 and N lies between. See, try to understand. So N is lying between 0 to 5. What does it mean? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 0 and 5 are included, right? For how many years this is the formula used? Very simple. For how many years? 5 years. Because if N equals to 0, this is, see, when N equals to 0, 1.06 power 0, that becomes 1, right? So yes, this is for what? 5 years, because the formula will be used for like after 2017. What is the population of town in 2017? In 2017, definitely. So in 2017, N must be 0, right? Because this formula is used after 2017. That's why. So what I'm trying to say, so P equals to 36700 times 1.06, and we have 0. Any number power 0 that equals to 1, right? So I can write down 36700 times 1. So we got as a 36700. So that is answer for this question. By what percentage is the population expected to grow each year? The formula is given already here. Listen, basically this formula, exponential growth formula, you remember, exactly same with compound interest. P times 1 plus R over 100 power n. This is the formula, right? So can't we break like this? So 36,700 times 1 plus, if you see this, 6 over 100 power n. So this 1 over 6 plus 100 gives you 1.06. Tell me, so what percentage increase? 6%. That is called R, rate of increase, so you can say, right? So this answer should be 6%. So 6% increase, like expected to grow each year. Got it, everyone? Yes. Question number 21 is about circle theorem. This question says that A, B, C, D lie on a circle, okay, center O. ABC is given 58 and angle CAD is given 23. Calculate the angle OCA. Okay, if you see this question, this angle is given 58, right? So question is given, find out which angle OCA. OCA means I need to find out this angle. Can you see this? OCA. Yes, I need to find out this angle. So how to find this? Okay, now you tell me, all of us know that angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center, correct? If this is 58, then this angle, the part I'm shooting right now, this angle should be 2 times 58, that equals to 116, or we can say 116 degree. Did you get it? I'm sorry. If I try to draw the triangle, which triangle? I'm trying to draw this triangle, right? So this is O, this is C, this one is A. If you see this, these two are the radius of a circle which is exactly of same length. So if these two are exactly of same length, that means this is an isosceles triangle. That means these two angles will be exactly same. And this angle already we have, that is 116. So how to find this each angle? We can say, so 180 minus 116. What are we getting? Making it half. That is 180 minus 116 will be 64. 64 over 2. That answer should be 32 degree. So OCA will be 32. Basically, this also 32 and this angle is also 32 degree. Got it, everyone? Yes. Next, find out the angle DCA. Angle DCA means which angle? Angle DCA means we need to find out this angle. Let me change the color so that you can get it clearly. So yes, we need to find out this angle, guys. DCA, right? How to find it? To find this one, all of us know circle theorem says that if it is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? You can see here, this is cyclic quadrilateral. So if this is 50 degree, this will be the opposite angle, right? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to what? 180. So this angle should be 180 minus 58, which equals to 122 degree. Got it? That means CDA we got 122 degree, right? Now if you see this, the triangle, if I try to draw this triangle, the triangle look like this. Okay, and this angle is given 23. This angle right now we got it as a 122, and we need to find out this angle. This angle we need to find out. How to find this? So three angles of a triangle are up to 180. So 180 minus this will be 122 plus 23, right? So 180 minus 145, if we subtract this 2, so I think we are getting 35 degree. Yes, so this angle should be 35 degree. Okay, so we can expect, yes, a circle theorem question in your like IGCSE exam. So yes, try to learn all the rules that you have in circle theorem. Got it, everyone? So yes, with this answer we got it as a 35 degree. Okay, next question is about curves. Okay, this is a sketch of graph which is y equals to 2x squared minus 3 and y equals to x plus 3 is a straight line. This is straight line and this is a quadratic curve we have. Work out the coordinates of points of intersection of y this and this one. Always remember, whenever one curve line intersecting, please try to solve as a simultaneous equations. Did you get it what I'm trying to say? See, if you see this is a curve we have. I need to find out the point of intersection. Question is asking like this one. Find out this and find out this, right? So that means we have to solve it as simultaneous equation. So how to do this? So let me write down. I'm sorry. Y equals to 2x squared minus 3, and here we have y equals to x plus 3. So both is exactly y. So we can make it equal. So we can say 2x squared minus 3 that equals to x plus 3. Try to bring all the terms to one side. So we can say 2x squared minus x minus 3 minus 3 that equals to 0. So we got 2x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0, right? So we can factorize this. How we can factorize this one? You can split the midterm as well, right? So we can do like this. 2x squared, this will be minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, how we can do this? I'm just telling you like this. So here we have a equals to 2. Here we have b equals to minus 1, where we have c equals to minus 6. Can you see this? Now we can do like this also. We have to find such two numbers whose times will be AC, which is equals to minus 12, and same two number when I put it here, that should be addition or subtraction should be minus 1. So I can say minus 4 times 3 is minus 12, and minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1. That's why I splitted the number like this. Got it? From this two number, what common I can take? I can take common 2x. If I take common 2x, I'm getting x minus 2. From this two number, I can take 3. So I'm getting also x minus 2 that equals to 0. So from these two numbers, what common I can take? X minus 2. So if I take x minus 2, so in the first part 2x is left and second part 3 is left. So we got these two factors. Can you see this? So please try to make individual 0. So I can say x minus 2 equals to 0, or I can say 2x plus 3 that equals to 0. So x equals to, if I try to rearrange it, we got x equals to 2, and if I try to rearrange it, we got 2x equals to minus 3, and this one I'm getting x equals to minus 3 over 2. So these two values we got it. What does it mean? That means the point of intersection x coordinate we got it, right? We got what we got 2 here. Sorry, this is the left side. So I'll get this one as a minus 3 over 2. This will be 2. So how to find the value of y? You can take any one equation of y. You can just like substitute the value of x. You can get the value of y. So for example, so I have taken the equation of curve that is straight line, which is given y equals to x plus 3. So when x equals to 2, replace this value of x, that is 2, y plus 3. So y equals to 5. Okay, for this one, x is given minus 3 over 2. So again, y equals to x plus 3. Instead of x, I'm going to put minus 3 over 2 plus 3. Okay, minus 3 over 2 plus 3. How to do this? I'm telling you. So here we have 3 over 1, right? The simplest way is simply do like this. So minus 3 over 2. So can we convert this denominator into 1? Sorry, 2? Yes, I can. So it will be 6 over 2. Yes. So minus 3, simply add the numerator because they have the same denominator. So we can say 3 over 2. Can you see this? Yes. So I can write down when x is 2, y equals to 5. When x is minus 3 over 2, I got y equals to 3 over 2. So this is the point of intersection. So I'm writing this again. I'm trying to show you this is minus 3 over 2, y is 3 over 2. When x is 2, y equals to 5. So remember, whenever two curves are given, they are intersecting, please solve this equation as a simultaneous equation. That will be your point of intersections. Got it, everyone? Yes. Next question. Sorry. Next question is given. The diagram shows a rectangle ABCE. Okay, ABC. You can see here. D lies on EC. D lies on EC. You can see here. DAB is a sector of a circle of radius 8 centimeter and angle. You can see here. This is a sector, right? This one. This sector, and the angle is given 30 degree. Find the perimeter of this shaded region in the form of a plus b root 3 plus c pi. We'll try to understand this question. That means we need to find out the value of DC, we need to find out the value of BC, and we need to find out the value of arc length BD, right? Then only we can add all these three boundaries, so we can find out the perimeter of this one. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? So we need to find the value of what? BC length, plus we need to find the length of DC, right? Then we need to find out the arc length BD, this one. So this will be your perimeter. Okay, let's start with this triangle. You know that is a rectangle means BC equals to AE, right? So you can see here, this is a right angle triangle. This will be 90 as well, right? So so this is right angle triangle. This is A, this one is E, and this one is D. Okay, this one is given 8 centimeter, and this angle is given 60 degree. Okay, now you tell me, if this angle is given, this will be known as what? Adjacent, right? And this will be known as what? Opposite. And this will be known as was hypotenuse, right? So which like formula, which rule, sine, cos and tan, SOHCAHTOA, which rule deals with hypotenuse and adjacent? So cos, and we know that this is CAH, right? So we have to find adjacent. So adjacent equals to cos of angle times hypotenuse. I can write down here, that is EA equals to cos of angle 60 times hypotenuse, we have 8. Okay, one most also like a thing we have to understand, that for non-calculated test, you have to remember some angles. Okay, like cos 60, this answer is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 times 8, that equals to 4 centimeter. Did you get it? Okay, let me just try to give you a like short what I can say brief about how to remember the angle. Remember, we have to remember at least these angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, okay, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. These angles we need to remember at least. Okay, so if I talk about sine 0 equals to 0, sine 30 is 1 over 2, sine 45 is 1 over root 2, sine 60 is equals to root 3 over 2, sine 90 equals to 1. Okay, now cos is exactly reverse, just reverse it. Cos 90 equals to 1, sorry, cos 0 equals to 1, cos 60 equals to root 3 over 2, cos 45 is it will be like 1 over root 2, and cos 60 equals to 1 over 2, and cos 90 equals to 0. So this thing, no, this thing you have to remember. Got it, everyone, clearly? Yes. So if you see this, cos 60 we got 1 over 2. Okay, so I put it here, cos 60 equals 1 over 2, so 1 over times 8 equals to 4 centimeters. So that means EA, so and EA equals to BC, so BC also 4 centimeters, simple, right? Now we'll try to find the value of DC. To find the value of DC, we need to find the value of ED as well. How to find the ED? Now tell me, in this triangle already we got this one as a 4 centimeter, this one already we have 8 centimeter. How to find third side of right angle triangle? We can use Pythagoras theorem, right? So how we can find out? So this name is ED. Okay, so ED equals to So we have hypotenuse 8, this is given 4, so we have to subtract it, right? So 8 squared minus 4 squared, take the square root, that is 64 minus 16, take the square root, that equals to 48 square root. Okay, how to simplify this? I told you already. Try to find such two numbers whose times is 48, but that one number should be a square number. So I think I can break like this: 16 times 3 and square root of 16 like this, and square root of 3. Did you get it? So this is a square number, so square number means 16 square root will be 4. So if I simplify this, I got 4 root 3. I hope you understood this one, right? So ED, which means this part, I got 4 root 3. Did you get it? Now you tell me, AB equals to EC. The total length we have 8 centimeter, out of which E to D we got 4 root 3. So how to find the value of DC? Very simple. So DC will be 8 minus 4 root 3. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Okay, so this will be our DC value. Okay, plus how to find BD? BD means the arc BD. Simple. The arc length. How to find the arc length of a sector? So I'm just doing it here. So arc length of a sector is angle over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, so angle, what is angle is given? 30 degree here. So 30 over 360 times 2 times pi times r is given 8, because this is radius 8 and this is also 8 is given. If you simplify, so I think we can simplify like this. 30, I think it should be 1, right? And 30, it should be 12. Did you understand? So because, see, you can do like this also: 10 times 3 and 10 times 36, and then divided by 3 as well. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 12 is 36. Okay, now we can do like this also: 2 times 6, and simplify more, it should be 2, 4, and 2 times 3. So we got it as a 4 pi over 3 as a simplified form of the arc length. So I can say it will be 4 pi over 3, right? Yes. So I think we got 4 plus 8, right? What is 4 plus 8? Yes. So this one I got 4 plus 8. It will be 12 minus 4 root 3, right? And yes, this one we got 4 pi over 3. So this is how we have to write down as per this question. So A equals to 12, B equals to minus 4, and C equals to 4 pi over 3. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Right? Yes, this is how we have to simplify this. I'm sorry. So yes, question number 24. Question number 24 is given that find the value of G and value of H. So here we have two equations, sorry, means two equations on one either side. So first we'll try to write down the LHS, left hand side. So x minus z times, we have 2x squared plus x minus 15. We'll try to expand this. Okay, so it will be x times 2x will be 2x cube, x times x will be x squared, and x times minus 15 will be minus 15x. Okay, and if I try to multiply like this, we can do this also. So it will be minus 2gx squared, this will be minus gx, and this will be plus 15g. Be careful of the negative sign. Got it? Now we'll try to simplify more. So here we have 2x cube. So this is x squared, this is x squared. I think we can take common. So if I try to take common x squared, so I'll get 1 plus 2g, 1 plus 2g x squared, right? I think, sorry, it should be 1 minus, my bad. 1 minus 2g, and this one I am getting x squared. Got it? And this is minus 15g, this is minus gx, minus 15x and minus gx. I can take common minus. So if I try to write down, it will be 15 plus g, this will be x. Okay, and it will be 15g here. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Yes. Now, if I talk about the right hand side, x squared minus 9, right? That equals to 2x plus h. Expand it. So if I write down 2x cube, it is given 2x cube, right? Now plus hx squared minus, multiply like this, minus 18x minus 9h. Okay, if you see this, these two are exactly same. We have to make it equal. Let me write down again. So if I write down, I can write like this, 2x cube plus 1 minus 2g, okay, x squared minus 15 plus g x plus 15g, that equals to 2x cube plus hx squared minus 18x minus 9h. Got it, everyone? Yes. Now listen carefully. What to do? We have to compare the coefficients. What does it mean? See, this is x cube, this is also x cube, and they have the same coefficient 2. You can see here, right? This is x squared, this is x squared. What is the coefficient is given? Here it is h, and this is 1 minus 2g. Okay, this is x, this is x. So here what is the coefficient is given? Minus 18, that equals to minus 15 plus z. And here is constant, so minus 9h equals to plus 15g. You can do that also. So let me write down. So I can write down like this. One second. So yes, so I can write down like this. This is 18 equals to 15 plus g, because negative I can cancel because both we have negative, right? So I can write down 15 plus g, that equals to, 15 plus g, that equals to 18. So only g should be 18 minus 15. So we got g equals to 3. So we got the value of g, that equals to 3. Got it, everyone, clearly? Yes. Next we can say this is h, right? And that equals to 1 minus 2g. Simple. So I can write down h equals to 1 minus 2g. So g value already we got 3. So h equals to 1 minus 2 times 3, that equals to h equals to 1 minus 6. So we got, that is h equals to negative 5. So we got h equals to negative 5. Did you understand, everyone? Got it? Yes. So we got 3 and this is minus 5. Yes. Next. Solve this inequality. Simple. So we can say 21 plus x over 5. This is greater than x plus 1. So we can just do what? Multiply 5 on both sides. So we can say 21 plus x greater than, it will be 5 times x plus 1. Okay, so it will be 21 plus x greater than, it will be 5x plus 5. So try to rearrange it. Okay, so you can do like this. It should be minus x, do minus x, so it should be 21 greater than 5x minus x become 4x plus 5. Please do then minus 5, then minus 5. So 21 minus 5, that equals to 16 greater than 4x, right? So we can divide 4 and 4 on both sides. So 16, one second, yes, we have to divide 4. So it will be 4 greater than x. So we can write down in this way also, x should be less than 4. You can write any one answer, you get the marks for this one. Did you get it, everyone? Yes. Only, see, listen, in inequality, remember, whenever we have a and b, right? For example, I'm saying, this is a note. If I'm saying a greater than b, right, when you multiply or divide negative numbers, if I'm saying a times minus 1, b times minus 1, so it becomes minus a, it becomes minus b. When you multiply or divide negative numbers on both sides, then sign of inequality changes. Sign of inequality changes. In that case only sign of inequality changes. Okay? Yes. Question number 26. Question number 26, that is a question of sorts. Okay? So how to solve this kind of question? So as I told you already, 2 over 27, right? This is plus 1 over square root of 3. Now we can break 27 like 9 times 3. So 9 is square number, right? So plus 1 over root 3. Got it? Now you tell me, Square root of 9, that becomes 3, and this will be 3 root 3. Yes, plus 1 over root 3. You can just apply the like addition of fraction rule. So how to do this time this, so I can write down 3 root 3 times root 3, then cross multiply like this, it will be 2 root 3 plus 1 time this one, so it will be 3 root 3. Got it? So 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3, it should be 5 root 3, okay, over root 3 times root 3 becomes 3, and 3 times 3 becomes 9. So this answer should be 5 root 3 over 9. Did you get it? If you see the question, that write down the answer as a m root 3 over 9. So by comparing it, we can say m equals to 5 and n equals to 9. Did you understand everyone clearly? Yes. Next question. Yes, next question is about vector. Okay, so how to do this? Question is given ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, then DC is given 3Q, BC equals to 2P, which is given here. Then PYB, okay, it's given P. Okay, X is the point on AB such that AX ratio XB is given 2:1. What does it mean? It means it contains two parts and this XB contain one part. Okay, ratio means. Now, after all, DC is parallel to what I can say AB. So this total length also will be 3Q because this both sides will be exactly same. So first question is given that find DX in terms of P and Q. Which is DX? We need to find out DX, this one, right? Okay, you tell me how to find DX. So we know DX vector equals to, if I talk about this triangle, right? DX vector equals to, I can write down DA vector plus AX vector. Got it? DA, this one. So you know this one is 2P is given, means in this direction this is also 2P. Got it? That means AD is 2P. So here we have DA, which is minus 2P, but we don't have AX, so we can find out the value of AX. So you tell me before that AX vector equals to, I am talking about here to here. So if this contain two parts, this contain one part, total we have three parts, right? So can we say it should be 2/3 of AB vector? Did you get it? And what is AB vector? We have 3Q. So AX vector, that equals to 2/3 times 3Q, right? So if you simplify this, 2 times 3 is 6/3, that is 2. So we can say AX equals to 2Q. Did you understand this? So I got this one is 2Q and this one should be Q only because the total is 3Q. Okay, so now we can put this value. So DX vector equals to, if you see this, AD vector is given 2P, right? So DA should be minus 2P plus AX we got 2Q. So if I try to write down in simplified way, so 2Q minus 2P should be the answer for this question. 2Q minus 2P. Okay, so DX vector what you got? 2Q minus 2P vector. Okay, next, show that DXY is a straight line. Show that DXY is a straight line. If you remember, DXY means which one? This line. This line we to prove is a straight line. Remember, if one vector is multiple of other vector, that means that is a straight line. So can we say, okay, so that means we have to prove it that DX vector is a multiple of DY vector. I need to prove this one. So how to prove this? Okay, so first check, can I find out the value of dx? Yes, we have already dx, that is 2x minus 2p. Let me write down again, dx vector, we already got this, 2q minus 2p. This one already we have. Now can we find out the value of dy vector? Yes, let me try. So dy, so we are talking about this, dy equals to dc plus cy, dc plus cy. Got it? So I'm writing this one, dc plus cy vector. Did you get it, everyone? Yes. What is DC vector we have? DC vector is given 3q and cy. Listen carefully. If I go from y to c, I am getting p plus 2p, that is 3p vector. But when I am coming from c to y, direction changes, that becomes minus 3p vector. So this one I got 3q minus 3p. Got it? So this is how we got dy vector. Okay. Let me try to show you how we can find out the multiple of this one, right? So can I divide these two vectors, dx vector over dy vector? Yes. So if you see, dx vector is given 2q minus 2p over, this one is given 3q minus 3p, right? Now if I try to take common 2 in the numerator, this is q minus p, and denominator we have 3 times q minus p, right? So both are exactly same. If you cancel this, so this one we got 2 over 3. So we have dx vector over dy vector, that is 2 over 3. So if I try to move this, we got to know that dx vector, it is 2 over 3 times dy vector. Did you get it? See, we got this. So dx vector is a multiple of dy vector. You can write down as dx vector is a multiple of dy vector. So dxy is a straight line. Dxy is a straight line. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Yes. So please pause the video and try to solve the question yourself as well. And please do subscribe the video, share with your friends, so that you will be getting regular videos. And yes, I'm going to upload more prediction papers, 2 or 3, so that yes, you can get notification. Please subscribe it, and all the best for your IGCSE exam, which is going to be held on 2nd May. Thank you so much. Thank you.